Hi, my name is Dylan Motes, and on today's Whiteboard Wednesday, we are going to be looking at the MRI Ascend app. We're going to look at how to install the app and what the homepage looks like. Today's whiteboard is going to be a little different. In fact, we are not using a whiteboard. Instead, we're going to be using a phone. So let's get started. Okay, to get started, what you're going to want to do is open up the App Store. If you're using Android, that would be the Google Play Store, and if you're on Apple, that's the App Store. I'll go up to the top nav bar, and what I'm going to search for is MRI Ascend. Now it should be the first app to show up in the search results, which it is here. What you're going to do is click it and install it. So now that the app is installed, what you're going to do is open it, and you're going to land on a screen that lists out the events in the app. For this one, of course, we're going to pick the Anaheim event. First thing you're going to see is a notification to get alerted via push notifications during the conference. I highly recommend hitting OK. That way, if there's any sort of notifications that go out during the conference, you stay up to date and you get those. So now that we're here, what we're going to need to do is look up our registration. You should have already done this. If not, make sure you go to mriusersconference.com and register for the event. What I'm going to look for is my first and last name that I used to register. You go ahead and type those in. Since it found me in the system, it's now going to send an email to the email address that I gave it when registering. So in this case, you can see it right here. I'll go to that account, find that email, type that in. If you need to look up any of the information, make sure to double check the confirmation email you got when you registered. That way, in case your name's Matthew, but you go by Matt, you know which one to type into the first name field. All right, and after that, we are now successfully logged into the app, and now we can use it to its full capabilities. So what you see here is the home page of the app. We'll just go from top to bottom. You're going to start with the countdown timer to when the event starts. You're going to have 4 quick nav icons that'll take you to different pages in the app. That'll come in a future video where we explain those more deeply. So below those navigation icons, you're going to have the Up Next box. And right here is where the next event that you should be at will be listed. So if you have a session coming up or a meeting or an after conference activity going on, all those will show up right here. So that way you know where you should be and at what times. Below that are the featured speakers. You can see sort of the prime time spots, who's speaking during the general session, and some of the breakout session speakers as well. Underneath that are the featured sessions, where you can see what sessions are available, kind of the key ones that you might want to attend. You can always add those to your schedule. And last but not least on this page are the featured sponsors. So here's a list of all the sponsors for the event that you can meet with during the conference. If you click into any of those, you can see where they're located in the conference hall and go have a chat with them if you want. So that does it for the home screen. The only thing left to cover is at the very top right, there is a bell icon. That's where all the notifications are stored. If you click on that, you can see the list of notifications. As the event happens, more notifications will come and you can just stay up to date. All right, so that does it for this Whiteboard Wednesday. Make sure to search for the app in the App Store. It's MRI Ascend. And check out this URL right here, mriusersconference.com/app for more information about the app and for future videos. See you in Anaheim.